Hello, this is our new series about encryption tutorials, encryption of the hard disk, encryption of the database. Before we start learning the encryption, we need to focus on a few important things regarding the hard disk of the server. In this video number 1, we will learn these things, which are, in my opinion, very important things. Now, when you want to create a server, you need first to get a brand new hard disk. Number 2, you need to use the entire capacity of this brand new hard disk just for the server usage. Means that you should not leave any space for your saving your personal file, personal downloads, because these files, a hacker could use these files and penetrate to your database cluster. Number 3, when you get brand new hard disk, in some cases for whatever reason, there might be a malicious software pre-installed on the brand new hard disk, which could pose a threat on the integrity of your server. So the best thing is that you should wipe out whatever data on that hard disk, and for the entire capacity of the hard disk. So you should wipe out all the capacity of the hard disk from any data on that hard disk. Then you refill the hard disk with random data, mostly zeros, and also for the entire capacity of the hard disk. And the way to do that is that first you need to connect your brand new hard disk to any Linux device, and start with this command: pipe grep sd. This will show you the drives that is connected to your device. One of these names should refer to your brand new hard disk that you mounted on this device. You should notice which one belongs to refers to the brand new hard disk. Once you know that, you start the next step. You enter as a root. Now be careful, don't immediately start wiping out the data, because this is not the brand new hard disk. This is your device main directory, so you need to change directly and go into the root. Now you can start wiping out the data of your brand new hard disk by selecting it, and the way to do that is with this command: dd input file equal -dev /0, then output file equal dev with your drive name. Now this your drive name, this your drive name refers to the whatever names you found in here, which points to your brand new hard disk. So you get that name and you type it in here instead of this. You type it in here, and then you carry on with the command, which is bs equal to 1 mega upper and c. Now take notice that this is a very long and lengthy process, and it is time consuming. It could, especially if you have a big hard drive, it could take 12 hours, could take 24 hours maybe. So you have to be patient to do that. Now once the wiping process is being done, we need to move to the next step, and the next step is to filling the entire capacity of the brand new hard disk with random data, mostly zeros. So input file equal to dev /urandom, and the output file equal dev, again your drive name, and bs equal to 1 mega upper C. This will fill the entire capacity of the drive with random data. And again, it is also a time consuming process, but when it is done, then we need to move to the next step, which is creating a partition for that brand new hard disk. And to create a partition, you need to use this command, which is ported dev your drive name. You enter that drive name you know. Then enter. Once you finish with this step, you go for the next step, which is make label for your drive, and you can do with this MS-DOS label. You can give it for your drive. Once you have given the label, you can start with the next step, which is making partition. Make part for your brand new hard disk. Make partition as a primary, starting with 0% from the beginning of the drive, ending up with 100%. And this is a very important point. You should make use of the entire capacity of your brand new hard disk just for the server. One primary partition. Now, once you have done this step, that means your drive is ready to be used on your server. You just can print, and which will tell you the details of the drive. Then you can unplug it and use it on your server. Now, this is the very basic steps that we need to do on our brand new hard disk of the server prior to start encrypting anything or using this hard disk. The next step, in the next video, we will start learning the types of the encryption and how we can do each one type. Thank you for watching.